Hey, what's going on, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a skeleton. This is another spooky season drawing tutorial. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go down to the drawing. Let's go see what we
So
come
for the
up with.
first step in making our skeleton, we're going to begin by making what will be the lower half of the skull. Awesome, now we're going to make a big circle that will be going all the way around from the left side all the way over to the right. Now in the middle of the circle that we just made, we're going to make a black dot for the nose. Now directly below the nose that we just made, we're going to make one line going from left to right, and then we're going to add what will look like stitches for the mouth of our skeleton. Fantastic, that's a great start. Now above the nose that we previously made, we're going to begin to make two big circles for the eyes. Inside of each circle that we make, we're going to add one more small circle. That was a really awesome start on the skull. Now we're going to move below the skull and we're going to begin to make the body of our skeleton. So right below the skull, we're going to make a rectangular-like shape that will be going up and down. Now we're going to connect the shape that we just made with a small square-like shape right below the head of our skeleton. Now on each side of the shape that we have previously made, we're going to begin to add some bones. So this might get a little complex, but if you just want to make oval-like shapes on the side to follow along a little bit easier, that's completely okay as well. So inside of those oval-like shapes that we previously made, we're going to make one line inside of each one with a small curve on top. Awesome, now once we have that finished, we're going to go ahead and finish the spine of our skeleton. Now underneath of the spine that we just made, we're going to make one big U-like shape. Now from that U, we're going to make two upside down U's that will connect to the spine. Fantastic, now we're going to go ahead and make two leg bones underneath of the big U that we previously made. Now once we finish making that leg bone, we're going to connect it with a big C-like shape all the way up to the spine. Now a little over to the right, we're going to make another leg bone. And on the right hand side, we're going to make another big C-like shape that will connect to the other leg bone. Now over on the left hand side, we're going to finish the leg and foot for our skeleton. Now let's hop over to the right side and do the same thing that we just did on the left. Now once we have finished the legs and feet for our skeleton, we're going to move back up top where we will give our skeleton arms and hands. Now on the right hand for my skeleton, I'm going to make it appear as if he is giving a thumbs up. Now let's hop over to the left hand side and we'll give another arm and hand to our skeleton. Now for the last step, we have to fill in the eyes of our skeleton, but personally I don't want to use the Sharpie because I don't want to ruin it, so I'm going to swap it out for a black colored marker. This is how to draw a skeleton. Thank you for watching. Learn how to draw a hub. Happy Halloween.